In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to enable or disable background app refresh on iPhone. Let's get started. First, launch your settings app. Now scroll down and head over to the option General. Here navigate to the option Background App Refresh. At the very top, you're going to find the option Background App Refresh. Click on that. Now check in for the option Wi-Fi or Wi-Fi and cellular data. If you set it to Wi-Fi, this will allow apps to refresh only when connected to a Wi-Fi network. If you choose Wi-Fi and cellular data, the apps will be refreshed when you are connected to Wi-Fi as well as cellular data. After you select it, you can head back. Now from here, you can easily enable background app refresh for these apps. You can toggle on for the apps that you want to enable background refresh of. In this way, I'm going to enable for the few apps like Drive, Instagram. If you want to disable background app refresh for any of the app, just toggle off for it and you'll be good to go. So that's it. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.